Reviewing something that we introduced in the last Kubotan video, it's going to be a technique that you can practice as a drill on your own or with a partner. On your own, the drill looks like a hammer fist and a hitting block. Hitting block is your arm twisting in, hammer fist is your arm coming down and out. And you can do this in either order. You can just go back and forth. And in application, this could be your block and this is your strike, or this is your block and this is your strike. The interesting thing about the Kubotan as a blocking surface, it creates a hook, kind of like a medieval cross guard, where their attack won't slip over it very easily. They'd have to go the long way around and pull back all the way to strike again. So hitting block, hammer fist, and hammer fist, hitting block. Guys, start with one punch. Boom. Other hand. All right, 1, 2. All right, starting with the other hand. No, starting with the other hand and then 2 punches. 1, 2. Try that again. That you have your spare block right there to block with if you need to. All right, ratchet up the speed a little. A little bit faster. That speed, one more time. You need to get that rotation in your hands there, okay? When you're rotating your hands, that lets you block and have energy to block without having a lot of momentum behind you. All right, last time, and then we'll switch. Boom, there it is. Switch attacker. All right, I want you to be on the inside for this drill. From the outside, there's other stuff we can do, but for this drill, stay on the inside. When I say on the inside of the punch, keep training, I mean on the inner part of the elbow where the arm bends as opposed to outside it. Boom. Good. Ratchet up the speed, Justin. Make sure you get the rotation, Dakari. One more time. Good job, guys.